alternate exterior angle. The pair of exterior angle which are either side of transversal or alternate interior angle when the lines are parallel. This is the exterior angle.
This is a exterior angle. The angles which are outside of lines when a transversal intersects the lines.
This is the interior angle. The interior angles are which are on the same side of transversal are called co-interior angle. Co-interior angles are supplement, and when the lines are parallel, the sum of two co-interior angles are 180 degrees are called supplement. This is a co-exterior angle. The exterior angles are some which are on the sum